That's a check engine light.
35 plus $1,000 for a rebuild and a goddamn check engine light come on. Now, I'ma tell you, I'm gonna pull up on these motherfuckers at this dealership and I'm gonna raise hell. I'm gonna raise hell. It ain't been 2 days since I got my goddamn truck back. And the motherfucking check engine light come on. Talking about no fuel pressure. I'm gonna go up here and I'm gonna figure out who the hell gonna get this straight. Cause I was just sitting under a load. I had to drop my goddamn load. So this some bullshit. That's right, I said it. I'ma give him the benefit of the doubt. But I got to get to the bottom of this bullshit right now today.